And now, your host for tonight, a former host of Mr. Tourism World and Mr. Grand International, let us give a warm Kanawidan Ilocos cheer to our Master of Ceremonies, the dashing Mr. Ancher Kua.
Good evening everyone, and wow, that is how we do opening numbers here in Ilocos Sur. Simply fabulous, magandang gabi sa mga nagagandahang sanyata ng Ilocos Sur. And now tonight, one of these equally beautiful and talented ladies of the province will be crowned with the elusive title as Sanyata the Ilocos Sur 2021. And we are looking for a queen who has the beauty, poise, personality, and articulation to speak in front of you, and of course with her mind, and a Sanyata who possesses love towards culture, tradition, and many other things, most especially to talk about heritage. She will become the tourism ambassador of Heritage Province of Ilocos Sur. And tonight, as we search for that lady, it will be my honor to share the stage with a woman radiating in sheer awesomeness. Let's give it up for this beauty pageant title holder. She was crowned Miss Sanyata the Ilocos Sur 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Angelica Maranan Maglano.
Wow, thank you for the wonderful introduction, Andrew. Thank you so much for having us here, everybody. And of course, it evokes some blush around my shakes partner. Grabe. And yes, I am indeed thrilled to be here as we celebrate this most anticipated night of beauty and pageantry. Naimbagarabi ka na kay amin, Apo! Tonight is a grand celebration of Ilocana beauty here in the Heritage Province of Ilocos Sur.
Sure thing, Angelica, because tonight, as we celebrate the colorful Kanawidan Ilocos Festival and the 203rd founding anniversary of Ilocos Sur as a province.
And tonight, we welcome you to the highlight of the Kanawidan Festival. This is Sanyata de Ilocos 2021. Tonight, of course, 25 of the most stunning, talented, and beauty bit of purpose Ilocanas are standing in front of us tonight. To Honorable Governor Ryan Singson, to the Lady of the Province, Madam Patch Singson, and Honorable Vice Governor Jerry Singson, together with the provincial board members. Thank you very much again for inviting us over and to be a part of this momentous occasion.
Agyaman kami unay, province of Ilocos Sur. Good evening also to the 32 towns and 2 component cities of the province. And indeed now watching live on Facebook. Hello. And thank you in advance to the Provincial Tourism Office headed by the indefatigable Sir Ryan Astom.
Sir Ryan, thank you very much.
Kasama rin naman ang kanyang staff for gathering all creative minds and as well as impeccable talents to mount a production worthy to be called the Queen of Beauty Pageants in Ilocos Sur. At kaya naman everyone, sa mga kasama po rin naman natin nanonood ngayon, let's of course take the excitement higher as we welcome back the 25 Sanyatas. Ladies and gentlemen, in every beauty pageant, there is always one young lady who stands out for being friendly, funny, and has achieved admiration and respect by her fellow candidates. That is why she was voted as Miss Congeniality. And yes, she will be receiving a cash prize and sash. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Congeniality is... Please support Sanyata T. Santiago.
And of course, as the old pageant cliche would say, a picture says 1,000 words, and tonight we shall of our official multimedia lenses. She will be receiving a cash and a sash. And Miss Photogenic is Santa Maria.
Candidate who has shown impeccable enthusiasm during the pageant preliminaries. She was voted by the production and staff of Hanudin or Janudin Cristobal Events. And yes, this year's event management team. She will be receiving a cash prize and sash as well. And now, our best performer is... Sanyata Tivigan City!
And the next award for the next segment is the Face of the Night. This goes to the candidate who has the glow and the aura that mesmerized our judges during the opening introduction and production number. She is the glittering star of the night. She will be receiving a cash and a sash. Ladies and gentlemen, the Face of the Night is Sanyata Hinarbakan.
Congratulations! And now our last award is the Darling of the Netizens. And for those who already voted and liked, syempre nag-react naman ang ating netizens sa pictures nila. But now, since we already had the cut-up last 8 p.m., kilalanin na po natin ang ating Darling of the Netizens. Ladies and gentlemen, and congratulations, Sanyata T. Santa Maria!
Congratulations to all the winners for our first batch of special awards. More to come as you all take a breather to prepare to the most anticipated segment, and that is the swimwear competition.
Well, I guess not only me. I'm so excited for that as well. Siyempre, lahat-lahat din naman tayo, no? Alright, the swimwear competition is up next, so be ready, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the 25 Sanyatas wearing their swimsuits. All confidence indeed. Okay, and by the way, everyone, since in this new normal, we are all required to follow our safety and health protocols.
Exactly, and here in our venue, we are following our minimum health standards. And to all our netizens, please stay tuned because we have a lot of surprises for you tonight. And yun nga, partner, talking about our security protocols, negative ka ba?
Yes,
Of
negative,
course.
negative. Alright, lahat ng kailangan talaga yan.
Yes.
No? Alright, and syempre din naman, eto na. Let's, of course, take your excitements all can higher, everyone, as we welcome more special and corporate awards. So for this segment, I'm sure you're ready as well to meet our next set of winners. Okay?
Exactly, partner. And tonight is, of course, a showcase of this beautiful and sexy Ilocanas that we have. And
Who is
later on,
confidence?
we'll be knowing them better because we will be having our Q&A and a casual interview
The most
portion.
exciting part, of course.
Exactly.
Okay?
And partner, last January 31, during the pre-pageant, the candidates showcased their talents. One candidate bested 24 others, earning her performance worthy to be awarded as the best in talent. She will be receiving a sash and cash prize.
This is it, everyone. The beauty pageant judges have spoken. Our best in talent is... Ayan. Napaka-challenging talaga yung part na yun. And now everyone, flash on your screen. Ladies and gentlemen, our best in talent is Sanyata Tisuyo.
Wow, that's definitely a talent. And now, partner, up next is one of the most anticipated special award in every pageant. This is the best in swimwear. The winners set the stage afire in the Dom's Ramos Swimwear Couture during the swimwear competition.
Ayan, ano nga ba talaga ang characteristic para makuha mo ang best in talent? Of course, as a beauty queen, okay? Ano nga ba sa tingin mo?
Sa talent, partner, of course, number one dyan is your talent itself and yung confidence level as you perform your talent or your skill as you share it with your audience.
Ayan, syempre, that's for the talent. And the same characteristic din as well for the best in swimwear, no? Confidence and confidence pa din.
Exactly, partner, because you have to be oozing with confidence and hindi dapat mawawala yung personality because that's where you stand out. That's where you become unique among everyone.
Syempre nga rin naman. And of course, for physicality, when it comes to this ones, pagdating talaga sa beauty queen, sa tingin mo nga ba ang physical appearance would be a very big yes?
Yes, dahil yan yung una nilang makikita. Right? It's the physical attributes of our candidates.
Alright.
So right now, eto na.
Hindi, pero syempre naman, just like you, no? And by the way, yeah, congratulations as well for all the love for your family. And by the way, to all our netizens, please do not forget to use the hashtag. Actually, we have hashtags then. Hashtag SureIlocosSur. Hashtag Kanawidan Ilocos Festival. At syempre, pinaka-importante, hashtag Sanyata Ilocos
2021.
Alright. Ayan. I'm sure naman marami dyan ang nagko-comment ngayon. Sino kaya sa ating 25 Sanyatas ang nag-stand out ang ating front-runners even during the pageant preliminaries?
Exactly. Kaya ngayon, mga netizens, do not forget to comment and type in who will be awarded Best in Swimsuit and sino kaya ang gusto niyong makoronahan for tonight.
Makikita natin yan and we will of course witness that in a short while. Alright? At during of course the pre-pageant, no, ang dami ito, napanood natin sila with their talents. Most of them perform through dances. Pero ang napakaganda kasi doon, very cultural siya.
Wow.
Kaya, karamihan Hawaiian. But they were all very confident enough to Kaya naman for those na nanood, and at the same time, nag-comment talaga ng kanilang support, no, para sa kanilang candidate. And indeed, si best in talent natin si Tisuyo tuloy. Oo.
Siya nag-stand out, di ba? Napakahirap. The difficulty, di ba? Sobrang hirap. Ako din before, sumayaw din ako. So, iba't ibang talento talaga yung pinakita natin. I think the others, what other talents, partner?
Actually, may duo performance din. Pinagsabay nila ang instrument playing.
Wow.
Oo, tapos kumanta sila.
See, di ba? It's really a showcase of talent and of course, the culture of our heritage province of Ilocos Sur.
Yes! And everyone, this is it! Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Best in Swimsuit Award goes to Sanyata T. Vegan City! Once again, congratulations to the winners of the second set of awards. And when we come back, a special guest will entertain us all tonight as the candidates glam up for the evening gown competition. There they are, ladies and gentlemen, Brian's Angels. And indeed, nakita naman natin ang kanilang performance is not just modern but also cultural indeed. Kaya naman, everyone, this is it. Of course, making this evening even more beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Let us all welcome the 25 gems of Ilocos Sur for the evening gown competition.
And to serenade area Sanyata Team Officer candidates, let us all welcome Mr. Angelo Nabor.
You know you're Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Angelo Nabor. Thank you very much. At kaya naman, everyone, kung mapapansin nyo, very green ang theme natin ngayong gabi.
Exactly,
okay?
partner.
At
ano nga ba yung ma-realize mo or may isip mo when it comes to green color?
Well, when it comes to health, aside from that one, environmental awareness and sustainability. Tama nga rin naman, kaya siguro nagtitinginan na ang ating mga plantitos at plantitas ngayon. Oo.
Kaya yung mga netizens natin, choose kung anong gown, green gown, would you like to win for the best in gown this evening?
Ayan. Of course, just comment down your towns yung talagang sinusuportahan yung manalo ng best in gown. But of course, now that for this segment, last segment na rin natin ulit para malaman na rin natin ang final 12, no? Alright, it's actually to honor the last batch of activities and even achievements of our candidates before they proceed to the top 12. Here you go. Meron silang importante na award na i-receive. So, what is that all about?
And of course, during the pre-pageant, the candidates were asked questions, any topic about their city or municipality. Questions from history, culture, demographics, tourism, products of their municipality were framed to get the best of the best answers. One candidate ranked the highest, and she, of course, will be awarded tonight as Miss Articulate. She will be receiving a cash and a sash.
Nice one. So now, who is that lucky lady? Well, very articulate enough.
Of course, our Miss Articulate is Sanyata T. Narvacan.
Congratulations, Sanyata Tinarvacan. Grabe talaga. 2 days ago, every one of the candidates have been ruling it out talaga sa ating question and answer during the casual interview. Grabe. But the most important thing kasi sa ating casual interview 2 days ago is that you really have to be familiar with your town. Yung sa history niya, about the town itself when it comes to progress, development, kailangan alam natin yun. And most especially, pagdating na rin sa tourism industry na bumabangon ngayon, sa ating mga travel and tourism professionals, don't worry, babawi at babangon din naman tayo. And it all starts din talaga sa mga ganitong klase na event din natin, kahit online, at least.
I couldn't agree more with that, partner.
Correct.
And of course, we can see the different ambassadors of our respective municipalities and cities here in the province of Ilocos Sur.
Ayan. So of course, for the 32 towns and 2 component cities of the province, eto na, maghanda na kayo. Okay, malalaman na natin ang iniidolo and of course the one who really catched the eyes of the judges. Ladies and gentlemen, our best in gown. Congratulations. Please step forward. Sanyata T. Santa Maria. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Santa Maria. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Republica ng TN, our major sponsor, has launched the online voting powered by Globe to identify the winner of the Texter's Choice. This is the only pageant special Fast Track Award given to a candidate. Miss Globe will be receiving a 25,000 pesos cash.
Wow!
And gift items from Globe Telecom.
Oh, look at that lucky Lady B.
Of course, partner, ladies and gentlemen, our netizens.
Everyone, before we announce the winner of this award, she actually garnered 6,816 text votes. She is...
Miss Globe is... Sanyata T. Bantay.
Congratulations! Grabe, ang lakas talaga ng voting system ng mga taga-Bantay. Okay, tignan naman natin kung gaano sila ka-active ngayon sa social media. Come on, come on!
Ayan, of course, they are excited to know who will be our top 12. Kaya naman sa ating mga netizens who are watching live tonight, comment down the number of the candidate that you would like to join the
Correct.
top 12.
Ayan, tingnan natin kung sino ang may pinakamaraming sunod-sunod na comment when it comes to our towns.
Exactly.
Sino kaya yan?
Pwedeng number or pwede din yung town nila. Sino kaya yan?
Alam mo, kumpletuhin mo na lang yung pangalan.
And yung number.
Kaya nga, para mas maging maswerte. So we have
Yes.
candidate numbers are Sanyatas 1 to 25. Sino at sino kaya ang pasok sa ating top 12?
Exactly. So ngayon, partner, we are being watched all over the world because we are live.
Correct. At para sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, we're actually live po sa ating Facebook page. Ayan, yung Facebook page ko, official fan page or Facebook page of Governor Ryan Singson. Yan, tumutok po tayo dyan. Okay, at tuloy-tuloy lamang yan. Binigreetin po namin lahat ng mga balikbayan talaga. Ating mga moderno, our modern heroes, of course.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And partner, anyone who would like to thank for your outfit? Or
Well, I want to thank myself. Yeah, at syempre nagpapasalamat din naman ako sa Diyos at iniingatan talaga tayong lahat.
Exactly, that's the most important.
Right. Here you go, everyone. Ito, meron tayong napakagandang surprise para sa ating netizens and to everyone and every municipality. Ang ating pong top 12 magiging top 13. Alright. So now, everyone, we're all ready? Are you
We are
ready?
definitely ready.
Ayan. Ladies, relax. But yet, we're wishing you all the luck. Always remember, you will be beautiful. You'll always be your town's queen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the top 13 in random order. Take the first spot, Sanyata T. Narvacan. Take your position, Sanyata T. Vegan City. You have the chance to claim the crown, Sanyata T. Suyo. The fourth spot is yours, Sanyata T. San Esteban. Claim your spot, Sanyata T. Magsingal. You're in the top 13, Sanyata T, Santa Lucia. It's a lucky 7 for you, Sanyata T, Nagbukel.
And for our 8th spot, Sanyata T, Sugpon. You are still in the competition, Sanyata T, Quirino. Please give that smile, Sanyata T, San Vicente. And of course, you are still a part of the finalists, Sanyata T, Kawayan. And now, the next one is Sanyata T, Gregorio del Pilar.
This is it, everyone. And now, there are still ladies who are waiting for their town's name to be called. And everyone, syempre nga rin yan, as obvious as it is, please welcome the one who garnered the most number of text votes, syempre, ladies and gentlemen, Sanyata T. Bantay! Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause to our top 13. To the other ladies, thank you very much. Wholeheartedly, we say, and of course we appreciate your efforts for joining this year's pageant. Thank you. Alright, ladies, in social distancing manner, as important nga rin naman this new normal. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sanyata T. Ilocosur Top 12 interview. Okay, this is how it goes. Well, candidates will pick a question among these envelopes that I have with me. Kaya naman, Angelica, okay, so all you have to do is just either give it to you or give it to me, but I'll do the honor, of course. Yeah, we will only read the question twice in English, but the candidates can answer in English or Filipino. Alright? Yeah, and once again, ladies, you are all free to answer in English or Filipino. Alright, best of luck. And now, let's welcome our first finalist.
Sanyata T. Narvacan, Donna Faith Cabero.
Alright. Anyway, can you pick a question first?
Answer, wait.
So how are you right now?
I'm feeling good, but at the same time, I feel so nervous.
Yes, of course. And to all your supporters who are watching this evening online, ano yung masasabi mo naman sa iyong mga supporters this evening?
Hello to all my supporters. Thank you, my fellow Narvaquinians, for supporting me in this journey of mine. And also thank you to my friends and to my family. I love you all.
Ayan, very sincere siya sa kanyang family and even the townsfolks. Okay, eto ha, since actually ako bilang isang turista din, saan mo ako ipapasyal sa Narvacan?
Of course, I would take you to the Noa Beach Resort because in there, everything is complete. You can find a beautiful rest house where you can indulge and rest, a beach where you can enjoy the sun on the sunset, and at the same time, you can also hike at our Bantay Abot. That is the pride of Narvacan. And also, we cannot forget the bagnet. We will serve you bagnet, of course.
Of course din naman. So tututukan ko din ang blood pressure ko dyan.
Yes,
Wag
yun
ko
yung
sobrang-
ino-monitor natin.
Oo. Pero it's really a treasure of Ilocos Norte when it comes to culinaria ang bagnet, no? Do you eat bagnet? How often?
Sometimes.
Akala ko every other day.
Naku, masyado na, nakakaano,
Oo
delikado
nga,
na yun sa
ito-check
health
natin yung BP natin every now and then.
Kaya nga, oo. Now, how about your family when it comes to this pandemic? Kumusta naman kayo?
Amidst this pandemic, my family is fine. We feel good, we feel okay, and most especially, we had the time to bond with each other, especially that I was in Manila for 5 years. So this is really a time for me to reconnect with my family and loved ones.
Wow, it's definitely a time to reconnect, reset our minds, and
Tama.
redefine our vision and our dreams. Because there are a lot of changes that happen because of the pandemic, right?
Sobra. Oo. By the time na yung talagang, most especially sa live event or events industry, grabe, ang dami mga hindi natuloy na weddings or
Correct,
events.
partner.
Kaya nga, tapos tipo pag meron namang allowed, kailangan nakasuot ang face masks natin.
Yes.
And we really have to follow ang ating social distancing.
Exactly.
Oo. Yan. Bangon lang. And by the way, sa mga nanonood po sa ating Facebook Live, or if you want to continuously support your candidate, please do not forget to use the hashtag #SureIlocosur, #Kanawidan Ilocos Festival, and #Sanyatati Ilocosur.
So do not forget to share this live this evening because
Tama!
in a short while we'll be crowning the new queen of Ilocosur.
Oo nga. Oh, by the way pala, for Miss Narvacan, ito ha, meron yung team ninyo, or it's actually a tagline called as Narvacan na isang sangayan. Okay, may we know if you have idea kung sino kaya ang nag-conceptualize nito?
Actually, it was conceptualized by our Honorable Mayor Luis Chavit Singson.
Well, it's actually a very good and catchy tagline, no? And lalo na't nandun yung touch of heritage, plus the people itself, kung ano nga ba talaga sila. So parang Narvacan, unique yan.
It
Diba?
caught your attention, partner.
Tama! Oo, lalo na pag Ilocano ka, oo, Narvacan na isang sangayan. Okay, but anyway, what education level are you in right now?
I actually graduated last March 2019 with the course Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Uy, graduate na.
Accountancy.
Mahilig tong bumalanse.
Yes.
Oo.
At mag-compute.
Oo.
Medyo papaganto mo na.
Oo, pasensya na. Pag more on business na ko, ito
Oo,
talaga
iba yung
maging best
linya
friend
natin,
ko.
partner, kasi.
But anyway, ito ha. What is actually very interesting then as an accountancy professional?
What's interesting about being an accountancy student or being an accountant in general is that you will be able to meet different kinds of people because I, as an accountant or an auditor, I travel to places because I visit my clients and do my audit on their offices.
Wow! Ayan!
Wow.
Akala ko sa tourism ka lang pwedeng
Yes,
travel,
exactly.
di ba?
Akala ko pag mag-audit ka, you're at the office, but
Oo.
you're given that ample time to go around.
Ayan, kaway-kaway po sa lahat ng ating accounting professionals.
Yes.
Sa totoo lang, ito ang pinaka-busy quarter or month nila, the January and February. Oo, kaya naman, mabuhay at mabuhay rin naman sila since frontline teams din itong mga to. Okay? But before anything else, ladies and gentlemen, we have a good news for one of the towns. Kung kanina po, we actually have the top 13, and now, ladies and gentlemen, may we have the 14th finalist. Ladies, syempre nga rin naman to everyone, everything comes with a twist these days.
Exactly.
Surprises.
And that's something that we look forward this evening. It's another surprise for all of us, so partner.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 14th finalists, please welcome Sanyatati Santa Maria!
And we have 14 finalists for
Ayan.
tonight.
Napakagandang surprise to para sa town of Santa Maria. Ayan. Kaya naman, I'm sure, ang ating netizens ngayon ay sunod-sunod na, yes, yes, yes!
Exactly.
Like, heart.
And ayan, partner, we have equally beautiful and of course eloquent ladies tonight. So this is our casual interview portion. And I know that our judges are looking forward to this part to getting to know better our candidates in this portion.
That's right. Okay, I think we can now proceed. Ready na? Nice
Yes,
one.
we are definitely ready.
Okay, here you go. Hey, please pick a question. All right, maybe you might want to ask one more question. Wala na, naubos na. All right. Anyway, I read it for you. Okay, here's your question. Okay, here you go. If you were a mother of a gay boy and your husband has not yet accepted your son as he is, what should you do in order that both the father and the son would accept each other? I repeat the question. If you were a mother of a gay boy and your husband has not yet accepted your son as he is, what should you do in order that both the father and the son would accept each other?
Family is the most important unit in a society. If I were the mother of the boy who is a gay, I would do and tell my husband, who is the father of the boy, to love and accept our son. I would remind him that this son of ours is our fruit of love and fruit of our hard work. I believe that as a mother, I will be the groundbreaker of them too. And in order for the father to accept our son, I will also tell him that as a family, we should love and accept each other because the world is already filled with judgment and criticism. And as a family, we should be the first ones to love and accept each other. And besides, if God can accept us for who we are we not to accept other people? Especially if it's your son. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Very well said. Sanyata T.
Narvacan. And now let us welcome our second finalist.
Sanyata Vegan City, Mariela Bianca Ako.
Hello, Sanyata Vegan. How are you this evening?
I'm okay naman po.
It's nice to know that you are okay. Kindly pick your question. And she picked, what can young people like you do to help control the growing number of COVID-19 victims in our province? I repeat, what can young people like you do to help control the growing number of COVID-19 victims in our province?
Thank you. First of all, I want everyone to know that we are all suffering this pandemic crisis right now. So, to the young generation like me, millennial as well, we have to follow all the protocols as well. Most especially basic hygiene and staying at the house, doing online classes as well. So, we have to follow this because that's the right thing to do right now. So, we can lessen the increased number of COVID victims. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Sanyata T. Vegan City. All right.
That's why we advise everyone, stay at home.
Yes, stay at the comforts of your home. All right, third finalist, please.
Sanyata Suyo, Crystal May Sakla.
Please pick a question first. Okay, you ready to answer the question? Well, of course, you're a finalist. Yan naman. If you were to choose a husband, what are the qualities would he possess to win your love for him, and why? One more. if you were to choose a husband, what are the qualities would he possess to win your love for him, and why?
First of all, I would like to commend the provincial government unit headed by our Governor Ryan Luis Singson for still pursuing this Kanawidan Festival amidst the pandemic. And if I would choose a husband, what I would do to win his love for me is that a good husband should possess the traits that my father have. He should possess he should be determined, simple, and appreciative. He should be simple, he should make life easy to understand. He should be determined, he should be very goal-oriented. And lastly, he should be appreciative. He should appreciate all the things that we have, and that being appreciative enables us to be characterized as good partners. And what I would do to win his love for me is that I would set as an encouragement to him. I would tell him that, and I would show him that, and I would show to him that I deserve his love, and I would respect whatever his decisions are, and I will accept whoever he is. Because at the end of the day, being and respecting each other is most important. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Sanyatati Suyo. Okay, let's welcome our fourth finalist.
Sanyatati San Esteban, Bernadette Keller.
Hello, Sanyatati San Esteban. How are you feeling this evening?
I'm feeling great.
All right, so are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Definitely.
But before that, please pick a question.
Here is your question. If you were given another life to live, would you still choose to be an Ilocosurian? Why? If you were given another life to live, would you still choose to be an Ilocosurian? Why?
Good evening, everyone. If I were given the chance to live another life, yes, I would like to be an Ilocosurian again. I am here tonight competing with the other contestants primarily because I am proud that I am an Ilocana, and I stand here not only as an Ilocana, but also as a concerned citizen in our society, especially nowadays that we are struggling with this pandemic. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Sanyatati San Esteban.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you. Support, dapat ganyan,
Yes,
di ba? Oo.
And yung mga netizens natin, you are watching the casual interview of our top 14 semi-finalists.
Thank you. And now, with that, let's welcome our fifth finalist.
Sanyatati Maxical, Nicole Kate Molina.
All right, please pick a question. It's okay. How are you?
I am doing great.
Right? Doing great as it is. What would you like to say to your supporters?
Okay, so hello, Magsingaleños! Good evening!
We're here at Magsingal indeed. Ayan, kaya, woo!
Ayan, I like the energy. So here is your question. Are you in favor of modular learning? Why or why not? I repeat. Are you in favor of modular learning? Why or why not?
Amidst of this pandemic, we were all in the same boat struggling. So if I were to ask if I am in favor of modular learning, I would say that I am in favor. Because if that's for the children to be taught, I would be in favor of that. And I thank you.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Sanyatati Magsingal.
Thank you for the short but sweet answer.
Yes. Very educational indeed. Diba? All right. Our sixth finalist, please.
Sanyatati Santa Lucia, Irish Jane Amado.
Kaway, mga taga Santa Lucia.
Ito na po, Santa Lucia. Your question, please.
Naman, don't worry. We're both reading the questions naman, no? So, kumusta ka?
I'm feeling great and thankful that I'll be included in the top 14.
Ayan.
So, good luck.
Thank you.
Your
Okay.
question is ready.
What is the essence of a real Ilocana? What is the essence of a real Ilocana?
Good evening, everyone. The real essence of being a real Ilocana is that resilient. Why? Because me as an Ilocana, I believe that I stand here not just as Santa Lucians or an Ilocana, but I stand here as a concerned citizen to everyone. As a frontliner, I can also relate it to myself. Yes, I am a frontliner and I am a registered radiologic technologist by profession. And being that, the real essence of being an Ilocana is that being resilient. Why? Because despite of this pandemic that we've been through, an Ilocana should be stand strong, not just for herself, but also to the community as well. Because at the end of the day, all of us will end this war against the pandemic, and that will be all. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you very much. Ayan, thank you. At syempre, mabuhay at mabubuhay din po lahat ng ating frontliners.
Exactly.
Palakpakan rin naman natin sila. Oo.
Let's be firm. Let's
Correct.
be resilient.
Tama. Okay. Our next finalist, please.
Sanyara Tinagbukel, Glazel May Javier.
So here she is. How are you, Sanyata Tinagbukel?
I'm doing great, no?
Okay.
So kindly pick your question. And here is your question. In our present time, what to you is an embodiment of a smart Filipino? Explain your answer. I repeat. In our present time, what to you is an embodiment of a smart Filipino? Explain your answer.
As for me, an Ilocana is that optimistic and positive person. We should take our mistakes as a downfall in our lives, but rather, we take it as a motivating factor to strive and continue harder in life. Because through these mistakes and fears in the past, will give a moral lesson in the future. And I also believe that an Ilocana is a holistic beauty, which means being beautiful physically, mentally, emotionally, and most of all, spiritually. And after all, we don't need to be phenomenal and do phenomenal things. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sanyata Tinagbukel. Ayan.
Okay.
Let's call on our next finalist.
Sanyara Tisupon, Hazel Ann Gawa.
We have here Sanyata Tisupon. Sanyata 22. Your question is...
Alright. What 5 traits should you possess to stand out from the rest of the contestants? What 5 traits should you possess to stand out from the rest of the contestants?
My difference from other candidates is being true to yourself. Because if you are true to yourself, people will believe in you. And when people believe in you, they will love you. Thank you.
Alright. Thank you very much. Mukhang pinagsama-sama niya na lahat yung 5 traits doon.
Exactly.
No?
In
Oo.
it.
Correct? Ayan.
Okay, so let's
Shortcut na
proceed
naman. Correct. Thank you.
to our next semi-finalist.
Sanyara T. Quirino, Micaela Shane Quinola.
Alright. Sanyata Tinagbukel, please pick a question first.
Yes. How are you doing this evening?
I'm feeling good.
And it's
Oh,
obvious.
She answers cutely, you know.
She feels really good tonight. So, this is it. Your question. What values would make a province people-friendly? I repeat, what values make a province people-friendly? Please explain your answer.
The value of people's friendly is to be true. Don't
don't backstab your friends and be true with them. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, Sanyata Tigrino. All right, may we now have our 11th finalist.
Sanyara de San Vicente, Apple Joy Pajarillo.
Apple Joy Pajarillo and team. But for that, can you repeat the question, Apple?
Okay, Apple, so how are you feeling this evening?
I'm feeling good.
Any message to your viewers and supporters online, netizens?
Good evening and thank you for supporting me.
Wow.
Yeah, simple yet special. All right, here's a question. In our time, plants have captured the interest of many people. What do you think could be the reason for this? Once again, in our time, plants have captured the interest of many people. What do you think could be the reason for this?
Good evening. Maybe because plants is very important. Plant is one of the most important thing in our environment. We all know that plants can help in making our world better. Especially plants that it can turn carbon dioxide into oxygen. That's very important for us as human beings. We all know that oxygen is very important into our body in order for us to live. So in order for us to live in this world, it's very important to have a plant in order for us to have an oxygen to inhale, in order for us to have a more progressive community, a dynamic society, and a better world to live in. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you! At uma-agree dyan ang ating mga plantita at plantito.
Oo.
Ayan.
Kaya
Hello.
naman more plants po para sa garden natin.
Correct.
Oo.
Okay. Let's proceed to our next semi-finalist.
Sanyara de Kawayan, Marian Kedeng.
All right. Can we pick a question first?
So here is your question. What can young Ilocanos like you do to promote the hidden natural wonders of the province? I repeat, what can young Ilocanos like you do to promote the hidden natural wonders of the province, and why?
A young Ilocano like me, I can do to promote the hidden natural wonders is by going on it, exploring it, discovering it, and developing it with responsibility and self-awareness, most especially because we are facing pandemic. And also by raising a campaign drive or information drive. And I would also like to focus on its economic tourism, because it boosts our economy and will give revenue to the locality by means of when you develop the hidden resources, you are going to develop it and build infrastructures and create opportunities, and followed by also promoting its social tourism, which will focus on the tourist destination and spots, which is the hidden wonders.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right. Now, please welcome our next Sanyata.
Sanyara de Gregorio del Pilar, Jennifer Adrada Rewarin.
Yeah,
Welcome.
one of the famous names when it comes to Philippine history. But first, can you pick a question?
So here is a question. If you were a mother of a teenager who would like to follow your footsteps, what would you do to prepare her for the competition? I repeat, if you were a mother of a teenager who would like to follow your footsteps, what would you do to prepare her for the competition, and why?
Thank you so much for the question. If I were a mother of a teenager, I would like to prepare her physical attributes, her talents, her wit or intelligence, and at the same time, the most important thing is the personality or her personality, because I believe that a beauty queen should not only possesses the physical attributes that we are giving to all of you, especially to the judges, but most of all, a beauty queen should have that personality, that attitude that will last forever, because a beauty queen should inspire and at the same time influence, not just only for us women,
everything is for the youth. And I thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Once again, Sanyata T. Gregorio del Pilar. Alright?
Talking about woman of influence.
Naman.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Okay.
Next finalist, please.
Sanyata T. Bantay, Jamaica Bautista.
We now have our 13th finalist.
And our Miss Globe Dexter's Choice Award.
Alright? Pero before you think, syempre, ang sumuporta sa iyo, now that you actually garnered the highest number of votes. Ano gusto mong sabihin sa kanila?
Thank you for those who are patiently texting to vote. I appreciate it so much.
Well, but before that, I think you have to multiply 6,816 votes ng 2 pesos and 50 cents.
50 centavos.
Oh, okay. Ganon
Wow.
kalaki ang support nila sa'yo.
Congratulations to our awardee. Alright, so here is your question. If you were given an opportunity to represent your province in a national beauty and brains competition, what 5 things would you do to grab the title? I repeat, if you were given an opportunity to represent your province in a national beauty and brains competition, what 5 things would you do to grab the title and why?
If I will be given a chance to compete in a national pageant and represent our province, it would be an honor and a privilege, where I could bring our cultures and traditions as an Ilocana, and I could widen my advocacy, which is to help the farmers, as we have the mantra, elevate the low, where we release products related to farming, and a part of it will be benefited to them. This is only a simple way, but joining a national pageant would be a big impact to widen my advocacy and help my mission to be a successful one. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sanyata T. Bantay. And now everyone please welcome, well, of course, the luckiest in this segment. May we have the next finalist.
Sanyata T. Santa Maria, Wala Helen Cabalse.
Okay, so hello, Sanyata Ti Santa Maria. How do you feel after being the lucky 14th semi-finalist?
I feel blessed.
Wow.
Well, of course, God actually granted your wish din talaga, no? Okay, but now, here's your statement, or share your statement about this. The province of Ilocos Sur will soon receive the vaccines against COVID-19. Share us your thoughts about this matter. I repeat, the province of Ilocos Sur will soon receive the vaccines against COVID-19. Share us your thoughts about this matter.
Well, God given me a healthy life, and I am very blessed to have that. That's why if we have vaccines in our province, I would like to give it to those people who need it, and to those persons who have a low immune in themselves. And thank you so much.
Alright, thank you very much once again, Sanyata T. Santa Maria. Ayan.
Wow, that was definitely a portion. That ends our Q&A and our top 14 semi-finalists. Your fate lies in the hands of our distinguished panel of judges.
Once again, congratulations to our top 14. Palakpakan din naman po natin sila. Pero syempre, as we think that our performers, sino din ang gusto mong pasalamatan tonight?
Of course, partner, I'd like to thank all our netizens who are watching this evening, who are looking forward to knowing who our top 6 finalists will be for tonight.
And I know we're all excited as well din, no? Ayan. By the way, ilan na kaya ang ating viewers? Ito na ako curious, okay?
Oo nga, kung gano'n na karaming ating viewers this evening.
Ayan, can you give us a number? Siguro kahit figure ano lang. Baka naman 10,000, 1 million.
Wow!
Ayan. And kagaya nga ng sabi natin, this is not just live no, sa ating local area, hindi lang dito sa probinsya, but it's being shown all over the world.
Exactly.
now let's welcome back our top 12, our top 14 finalists. Top 14 indeed. At kaya naman, ito na nga rin, everyone. Okay. Ayan, according sa ating social media managers, we already have
700.
7,000.
7,000.
Ayan. 7.1 tumagdag na po.
Wow.
Kanina 7,099 ngayon 7,100. Kaya kapalakpakan naman natin lahat ng ating viewers. Okay, talagang sinusuportahan ang kanilang kandidata. And now, this is it. Partner, Angie, Angel.
Okay, partner, this is it. Our top 6 finalists for Sanyata T. Ilocos 2021. Netizens, the first spot is for Sanyata T. Narvacan.
You have the chance to take home the crown. Sanyata T. San Esteban.
You are still in the competition. Sanyata T. Vegan City.
The fourth spot is yours. Please join them, Sanyata T. Magsingal.
And you made it at the 5th spot. Sanyata T. Kawayan.
Ladies and gentlemen, 8 ladies waiting for their towns' names to be called. To complete our top 6, please step forward. Sanyata T. Gregorio del Pilar.
Ladies and gentlemen, our top 6 finalists for Sanyata T. Ilocos 2021.
How about a big hand, everyone?
Virtual applause for our netizens.
Tama. Heart yan sa ating live broadcast. The 7 ladies, thank you very much. It's of course the toughest round, but your confidence took you as far as this kind of achievement. And now, for our top 6, there they are. Thank you, ladies.
Wow, partner, so we are down to the most nerve-wracking part of the competition.
Kaya naman, but of course, for this final round, we will only have one question. We will only have one question. At syempre din, at the end of the night, malalaman na natin kung sino ang ating second and first runners-up. Okay? We also have Sanyata T. Ilocos Sur Environment, Sanyata T. Ilocos Sur Tourism, Sanyata T. Ilocos Sur World, and yes, most asking Sanyata T. Ilocos Sur 2021 title.
With this, our stage managers guided the other 5 candidates because they will be answering one common question. And of course, partner, this is our final question that will give our candidates the make it or break it opportunity.
Tama. Alright. Just of course, before you answer the final question, just one last message din para pasalamatan mo mga sumusuporta sa iyo.
I would like to thank every Narvacanian for supporting me, to my friends, my team Mimosas, my family, my loved ones, my boyfriend who is very supportive. Thank you very much.
OMG!
Grabe nga rin naman, hindi pa siya.
Special mention, oh my God.
Tama. Pwede ba natin sa pangalan? Hindi, February na din kasi sa punong-puno ng pagmamahal.
Yes,
Oo.
exactly. Love month na po, kaya naman na talagang pure love.
Correct? Happy happiness lang din no, para sa ating lahat. Okay. And everyone, just for everybody's information din, ang ating limang candidates or finalists are already isolated. So,
Exactly. And we are just securing that they cannot hear the question being asked here.
Okay.
We're just waiting for the final cue. Okay.
Yeah. Ito na. Ready na nga. They're already isolated. And now let's, of course, see the mahiwagang question. Okay. Maghanda ka na, sabihin mo ang iyong town. Oh. Sabihin mo lang. Okay.
Narvacan na isang sangayan!
Ayan. Handang-handa na nga siya. Here you go. In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who were infected by the COVID-19 are authorized person outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not? I repeat the question. In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who are infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not?
The COVID-19 pandemic has been a very devastating event and crisis that happened to all of us because we suffered from it physically, we suffered from losing our jobs, and worst of that is losing lives. I think that closing the borderlines of Ilocos Sur would at least prevent the widespread of the coronavirus here in Ilocos Sur. But I also believe that our government is very hands-on and they are very good in containing the virus within our municipality or within our province because, well, in fact, they have protocols and we as Ilocosurians are following the protocols. And let us always remember that all together, if we pray with one another, this COVID pandemic, just as the sun rises in the east, this pandemic will one day come to an end. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Sanyatati Narvacan. Now let's welcome our second finalist.
Sanyatati San Esteban, Bernadette Color.
Yan. Masayang-masaya ako kasi ang dami nating active netizens ngayon.
Exactly. Imagine 7,100 netizens. Hello to you all.
For sure, dumagdag na rin yun ngayon. How about the 7.5?
8,000 na.
Naman! Oo. Alright. Kumusta, San Esteban?
I'm fine.
Alright. How about a gratifying message to all your supporters?
Thank you to those people who supported me all throughout this competition. I appreciate it so much.
Alright. Very sweet indeed.
And here is your question. In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who were infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not? I repeat. In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who were infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not?
Well, in my perspective, closing the borders will help our province in Ilocos Sur because we people should be dapat tayong maging Ilocos Sur should be closed so that we people would be protected by this coronavirus. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sanyatati San Esteban. Okay. Third finalist.
Sanyatati Vigan City,
Please join us on stage.
Maria Bianca Acob.
Naman, oo. Mahirap din maging apor, no? Pero mas mahirap din kung walang hanap buhay.
Exactly.
Kaya talagang kailangan kumain kahit gaano ka-risky para sa pamilya mo
At
rin.
nakikita mo ngayon kung gaano ka-creative ang mga netizens
Tama.
with everything that they do.
Correct?
And we have here our third finalist.
How are you, Sanyata Tibigan City?
I'm doing great, and it was really very unexpected for me to be part of top 6 po.
Ayan, you've earned it naman.
Exactly. And you are here, and right now I would like to give you the chance to thank all your supporters who are watching online and all over the world.
Thank you, because until now, you're still watching, so cross fingers. I hope we can do our best with the news. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Here's your question. In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who were infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of the residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not? In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who were infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of the residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not?
Closing our borders temporarily help to mitigate the problem in COVID-19 to avoid in our place here in Ilocos Sur is really helpful and very probably could be useful for us, because to avoid to increase the numbers of COVID patients, and it is also the right thing to do, because to lessen, and we Ilocanos and to the people who is planning to go home, we have to discipline more, we have to follow the protocols as well, and we have to attain patience in ourselves. So someday we will get home, and let's wait and let's apply to ourselves to have the patience, and someday we will get back to normal and to have a normal life in this beautiful province of Ilocos Sur. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you very much, Sanyata Tibigan City.
Our next finalist.
Sanyata Timbang Singal, Nicole Kate Molina.
Alright? Kung saan tayo ngayon? Dito na rin siya ngayon. Sanyata Ti Magsingal. Alright? Kumusta?
I'm very fine po.
Okay. Kanina good. Great. Ngayon very fine na siya.
Okay. Maganda yan. At eto na. We have here your final question.
Or before that, sige, pasalamatan mo na din mga sumusuporta sa'yo to boost your confidence.
I thank you to all Magsingaleños for the never-ending support and love. Thank you very much.
Alright. Thank you.
So, this is it? Okay. In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who were infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not? I repeat. In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who were infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not?
Oh, okay. Sure. Take all the time you need, but not all night long.
Yes.
Alright?
So I'll read again the question because the van was too loud for me to understand. So in Ilocos Sur, most of the people who were infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not? As it said in the question, most of the people who are infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. So would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Yes. Because this is to further stop the spread of COVID-19 despite of the undisciplined factors that the people are doing. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You know, for a second thought, I thought we already have our third host. Pinasa na yung question.
Pero actually, pag nasa loob ka talaga and the
Yeah.
music is so loud, medyo
Correct.
irritating or parang painful na sa ears.
Tama. Okay? Anyway, thank you very much, Sanyata Ti Magsingal. Now may we welcome our fifth finalist.
Sanyata Ti Kawayan, Marian Kedeng.
approaching is Sanyata Di Kawayan, ladies and gentlemen, and our netizens.
Okay, kumusta ka?
I'm doing good and I'm happy.
Ayan, you should be, okay? Kasi your family are also happy for you.
And talking about this significant others, it's your time to thank all your supporters.
I would like to thank all the Kawayanas for supporting me and helping me through my journey. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Here you go. In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who are infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not? In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who are infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not?
As a future medical technologist, closing the borders of Ilocos Sur will mitigate or lessen the COVID-19 the infected in COVID-19 pandemic, because it will lessen the contacts and it will also help us avoid the COVID-19 pandemic. And also, if we should always follow the protocols and safety guidelines of IATF, because it is for our own good, to save lives, to save humanity. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
For humanity.
Sanyata Di Kawayan, she is. And now let's welcome our last finalist.
Sanyata Di Gregorio Del Pilar, Jennifer Andrada Rewarin.
And this is the last but not the least finalists.
Yeah.
We are just like a few minutes away from knowing who will be crowned Sanyata Di Ilocos 2021.
Ayan, kaya kung maaari i-save niyo po yung inyong mga mobile data, okay? Sa mga nakakonect po sa ating mobile internet. Okay, how are you, Gregorio Del Pilar?
I'm doing good.
Okay, now that you feel good as well, ayan, syempre pasalamatan mo rin naman ang mga sumusuporta pa rin sa'yo.
Thank you so much for always supporting me from the very beginning. Thank you.
Thank you. Question.
So here is your final question. In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who were infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not? I repeat. In Ilocos Sur, most of the people who were infected by the COVID-19 are authorized persons outside of their residence. Would closing our borders temporarily help mitigate the problem? Why or why not?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, I think that we should still follow the rules and regulations of what our government Ilocos Sur should going to implement at amidst of this pandemic. And I think that it should be closed. Why? It's just simply because for us to lessen and at the same time to not increase the level or the number of COVID cases here in Ilocos Sur. For as long as we're doing or we're having that self-discipline within ourselves, know our limits, know our actions, know and also have that advice and guidance of our parents, then nothing can stop, or we can be able to stop this COVID-19. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. There you have her, Sanyata Di Gregorio Del Pilar.
And that concludes our final round, partner.
Ayan.
They have spoken, and we will give ample time to our judges as they convene. And
At syempre din, no, at tunay-tunay naman tayo nagpapasalamat sa ating 5 judges.
Exactly.
Oo. Ito, nagpapasalamat po kami ng lubusan sa Provincial Government of Ilocos Sur. Ayan, maraming salamat, no? And congratulations in advance na din. Well,
thank you very much, Governor Ryan Singson, together with the whole provincial government of Ilocos Sur. Maraming salamat po. It is indeed a great new normal event with our netizens. Thank you for having me and Answer.
Ayan. At I'm sure meron ka rin gustong pasalamatan ngayon at nanonood sila, no?
Of course, they are watching. Thank you very much, Arnel Callejo, for my makeup this evening. And of course, Rafi C for my gowns tonight. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat, ladies and gentlemen. We'll now meet our Sanyata T. Ilocos Sur 2021 in just a short while.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome back our Sanyata T. Ilocos 2021 Top 6 finalists. Sanyata T. Narvacan, Donna Faith Cabero. Sanyata T. San Esteban, Bernadette Color. Sanyata T. Vegan City, Mariela Bianca Acob. Sanyata T. Pansingal, Nicole Kate Molina. Sanyata T. Kawayan, Marian Quinteng. And Sanyata T. Gregorio Del Pilar, Jennifer Andrada Rewarin.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this year's top 6. And with that, we would also like to thank the judges then for their time and expertise tonight.
Thank you very much for gracing our Sanyata T. Ilocos 2021 and for sharing your time with us. Dr. May Cherry and Doromal, thank you. We also have Miss Camille Eliza P. Quinola. Thank you very much po. Miss Adelma Crisel P. Benita. Thank you very much. Mr. Richard Olivar. Thank you, sir. And of course, the chairman of the Board of Judges, Mr. Edgar Yabes.
Agyaman kami unay. Ladies and gentlemen, Province of Ilocos Sur, handa na ba kayo? Ayan. Dahil handa na rin po kami na i-announce ang ating winners. And now we already have the final results. Let's start with our second runner-up. She will receive 20,000 pesos in cash and a sash. Congratulations! Our Sanyata T. Ilocos second runner-up. Please step forward. Sanyata T. Magsingal!
Congratulations, Sanyata T. Magsingal. So let us keep the momentum burning as I announce the first runner-up. She will receive 30,000 pesos cash and sash. And our first runner-up is Sanyata T. Kawayan.
Congratulations, Sanyata T. Kawayan, our Sanyata T. Ilocos first runner-up. And now everyone, the Sanyata T. Ilocos Sur Environment 2021. She'll take home 40,000 pesos in cash, sash, bouquet of flowers, and crown. Ladies and gentlemen, our Sanyata T. Ilocos Environment 2021. Congratulations, Sanyata T. Vegan City.
Up next is Sanyata T. Ilocos Sur Tourism. Sanyata T. Ilocos Sur Tourism 2021 will receive 60,000 pesos cash, sash, and bouquet of flowers and a crown. Netizens, Sanyata T. Ilocos Sur Tourism 2021 is Sanyata T. Gregorio Del Pilar.
Congratulations! Sanyata de Gregorio del Pilar, our Sanyata de Ilocos Tourism 2021. Alright? For the two remaining ladies, both of you are already winners, and we'll have the crowns, but there will only be one Sanyata de Ilocos Tour. And if for any reason that the winner cannot fulfill her duties, of course, our Sanyata de Tourism World will take over the role.
To all of our viewers, virtual applause to these beautiful ladies on stage. We have two ladies standing. I will announce the Sanyata de Ilocos Tour World 2021, and the remaining candidate will be our grand winner, Sanyata de Ilocos Tour 2021. Sanyata de Ilocos Tour World 2021 will receive 80,000 pesos, sash, bouquet, and crown. Sanyata de Ilocos Tour World 2021, it's Sanyata de San Esteban.
Congratulations! Ladies and gentlemen, Province of Ilocos Sur, please welcome your new queen, Sanyata de Ilocos Sur 2021, Sanyata de Narvacan!
So congratulations, Sanyata de Ilocos 2021, Narvacan!
Congratulations to our new set of queens, and indeed, Angelica, I really had a big blast tonight, and it was an honor to be part of the 2021 Canavidan Ilocos Festival. Thank you.
Well, this is a pleasure, partner, and I really enjoyed the experience hosting with you. And thank you once again to the Honorable Governor of the Province of Ilocos Sur, Governor Ryan Luis Singson. Thank you for inviting us, Gov. This has been Angelica Baranan Maglalak saying thank you and good night.
Also, of course, Andrew Kua here signing off. This has been the pageant and coronation night of Sanyata de Ilocos Sur 2021. To our new queen, please take your first walk as the Queen of Ilocos Sur.
Presenting Sanyata de Ilocos 2021.
Abiyag Provincia de Ilocos Sur, Abiyag Panawidan Ilocos Festival. Good night, everyone.